on for the red one. 15, highway robbery. How much for the full one? 14. You know I got a thing for puppets. Hey. Hey. How much for the little dog?
What?
The little dog, the thing right there, the gray one.
This?
Yes.
15.
$15. Can I work it off? What if I just bring a bunch of people over here and have them look at your puppets? Would you knock off $3?
We'll work on it.
Oh, all right. Let me see if I can. Hey! Come here and look at the puppets. Come over here. You in the pink. Hey, how you doing? Come look at the puppets. Tired of me yet? Okay, I gotta go. I'll be back. I'm gonna go make $15, and I'm gonna buy that little dog.
All right.
Okay. Do you like puppets? Yeah. Can I shake your hand? I'll shake Mom's hand first. Hi. Oh, hi. What's your name?
Ziggy.
Ziggy. What a nice name. Ted. Teddy Bear. Last name starts with a B. And your name starts with a Z. Do you like puppets, Ziggy? Yeah? Which one do you like? You like that one? What is that, Ziggy? That's a what? What do you call that?
What kind of dog is it? It's a pug.
A pug? They have a funny nose, don't they? They dance. Can you dance? I can dance. Ready? 1, 2, 3, dance.
Dance, Ziggy, dance.
Now you, go.
Your turn. Dance, Ziggy.
Move your feet. Make your feet move. Dance, Ziggy. 1, 2, 3.
Dance, Ziggy, dance.
You're funny. Where is your daddy? Oh, I know where he is.
Oh,
Hi, Dad.
there's Daddy.
How are you?
I'm great.
Good. Thanks for letting me talk to Ziggy.
You're very nice.
You guys have fun at the fair now.
You too. Bye,
Okay.
Ziggy.
Bye. Bye, Ziggy.
Bye. See ya.